It's your boy Easy.
Alright guys, so jumping straight into hair. The hair I'm using is the Jamaican bounce I had left over, which I had used previously in my previous video, and I'm doing this hair on a freshly washed hair. And basically what I'm doing here is just sectioning a part off because I wanted like a weaving at the front, just to like, I don't know, jazz things up a bit. It's up to you if you decide to do it, but I just thought, you know, why not, doesn't care. So basically the weaving is just self-explanatory. I just did it onto the end and I ended up packing it up together in an eye bun, which you see. I'll just let you watch and I'll come back and talk later.
Your loving be real. As you know, they give me no matter. They make how they feel. Your loving be real. Your loving be real. Oh, my baby, shake ya, ya, love. Oh, yeah, shake ya, ya, love. Baby, shake ya, ya, love. Oh, yeah, shake ya, ya, love. Baby, shake ya, ya, love. Oh, yeah, shake ya, ya, love. My baby, shake ya, ya, love. Oh, yeah, shake ya, ya. All I know, make we go all I know. I go give you love and I go give you overload. No, I yo, baby, missy, no, I yo. I go give you love and I go give you overload.
Alrighty, so if you're new to crochet, you want to insert the latch into your hair, take the open ended of the crochet hair, pull it through and basically just loop it. So what I'm doing here is I'm crocheting the hair all around the perimeter of my hair. So the key is to avoid your bun. Well, you can do it, it's up to you, but it's just, if you do it on your bun, it's going to be very, very difficult to take out because it's not like tied properly, if you know what I mean. So basically I just did it all around the perimeter of my hair, and yeah, and I hoped that worked, which you see very soon. So I'm just gonna let you watch the following clips.
Your loving be real, your loving be real, my baby, shake ya, ya, love it.
Alrighty, so at this point I decided I was done and I started to unravel the hair. As you can see, I did not put any hair on my bun. I avoided it to the core, and then I just started to like tease the hair a little bit as well, which I realized I probably didn't do very well, but I tried. That's actually the first time I've done that, so I tried so hard. And basically what I did again was, because I was trying to cover the bun and it wasn't really covering, so I ended up adding more hair, crochet hair, to the back of the hair and at the front as much as I can. And yeah, I basically ended up just pulling the hair from the back to the front, if you understand what I mean, to cover the bun, because like I said, I wanted to avoid it at all costs. Yep, this is what I did here. And basically I grabbed a bobby pin as well, and I just used it to pin the hair from the back to the front so that way it stays covered. After that I just started to trim it as well. And yeah, next thing you want to do is basically just jazz the hair up. So I added some clips to the front of the weaving that we did earlier, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to